Dead simple recipe here. I'm gonna start with 1/3 of a cup of oatmeal. You can always adjust up or down based on your needs. I'm gonna put that 1/3 of a cup of oatmeal in there, and then I'll take 1/3 of a cup of pure pumpkin. Notice not pumpkin pie filling, it's just pure straight up pumpkin. I'm gonna put that in there as well. And then to that, I'm gonna add the same amount of boiling water times 2. So, there's 2. And now I'm just gonna cook this out, stir it up until it's nice and creamy. And that's it. My oatmeal is nice and creamy. It's cooked as per my package directions. And now I'm just gonna add in a little bit of pumpkin pie spice. You could just as easily use cinnamon, and that would be good too. I'm just add in like a teaspoon of this. And once it cools, just for a minute, I'm gonna add in a full scoop of whey protein powder. You could use a plant-based one here too. I just like the whey one. I think it tastes really good. I'll add a pinch of salt, throw this into a bowl, and I can top it with walnuts. I could add a little bit of butter for some healthy fats, or maybe I could put a little bit of honey on there or a Splenda for sweetness, whatever I want. There you go.